Welcome to the video. I don't know how to play the piano. So if you've read the title of the video, you already know what's going on. But before we get into the 15-minute songwriting challenge, I just want to give a quick thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. I'm going to be talking a bit more about them later in the video, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. If you've seen my other 15-minute songwriting challenge videos, you'll know that I use a random word generator to give me 5 random words, but this time I thought, seeing as we're trying new things, that I would do a random topic instead. So I've googled random topic generator for songs, which I know is kind of cheating, but I feel like it's going to be a lot better if I give myself some kind of direction. So that's that. I'm going to click on the first website. Write a song entirely from the point of view of someone leaving a message on someone else's answering machine. That's a mouthful. All right, we're going to do that. 15-minute timer starts now. And oh boy, it's going to be interesting. So in my last videos, I would often try and write, produce, record all in the same 15 minutes, but I think I'm just going to stick to writing the song and then I'll perform it at the end, you know, just for something different. Okay. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. I'm leaving a message on your telephone. Yeah! Ba da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, if I can remember that, that's my chord structure. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, and my prompt, okay, so I have 12.5 minutes to write a song. So write a song entirely from the point of view of someone leaving a message on someone else's answering machine. Hello, it's me, just calling again. I know you didn't pick up last time, but I've got so much to say to you. I've got so much on my mind. I wish you would pick up and we could turn back the time. Okay, that's gonna be the verse. Don't remember anything that I just said. Hello, 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 it's me, just leaving a message on your machine. I know we haven't spoken in a while, but I got so much on my mind, just need someone. Okay, let's write that down. Hello, it's me, leaving a message on your machine. Hello, it's me, just leaving a message on your machine. I know it's been a while, you've been on my mind. But you've been on my mind. I think it's about time we spoke face to face. Okay, so that's the verse. Probably going to change. The melody is definitely going to change because I am not going to be able to remember that at all. And then the chorus. I've been so scared. I'm sorry, I'm sad to hear you're not at home, so I'll leave a message after the tone. Sure. Sorry to hear you're not at home, so I'll leave a message after the tone. I hope that you hear. I hope you don't mind me calling so late. I'm sorry, sorry. Okay, I've wasted a lot of time. How much time do I have left? 7.5 minutes. I need to get an outro. I want a verse, a chorus, and an outro. I'm sorry to hear you're not at home, so I'll leave a message after the tone. I hope that you're. I know you don't want to be hearing from me. I know you don't want to talk right now, but I'll be waiting. I know you don't want to speak at all, but I'll be waiting by the phone for your call. Why do I always feel like I need to rhyme everything in these things? I don't know. I'm sorry to hear you're not at home, so I'll leave a message after the tone. I know you don't want to speak at all, but I'll be waiting by the phone for your call. I'll be waiting by the phone for your call. Next verse. Now let's just do a little bridge. No, I called. Things have been said and been done. If I stopped calling when you stopped calling back, I'll stop calling when you tell me to. Cause secretly I hope that my message is getting through. I'll stop calling when you ask me to. Secretly I hope that my message is getting through, baby. I'll stop calling when you ask me to. Cause I hope you're hearing me talk. I'll stop calling when you ask me to. If someone's not calling you back, I mean, I would recommend stopping calling them, but this is for the sake of the song. What rhymes with ooh? Flu, clue, drew, hue, pew, pew. I'll stop calling when you ask me to, because secretly I hope my message is getting through. I'll stop calling when you ask me to. I just need like a really sad ending line. Did you change your number. Oh, that's so sad. I'll stop calling. This song's kind of stalkerish. Okay, I have 1.5 minutes to write this last line. I'll stop calling when you ask me to, because secretly I hope my message speaks. Because secretly I think you still want me to call, that is. Stop calling when you ask me to. I hope my message is getting through. Yeah. Okay, let's read over this. Hello, it's me leaving a message on your machine. I know it's been a while, but you've been on my mind. I think it's about time we spoke face to face. I'm sorry to hear you're not at home, so I'll leave a message after the tone. I know you don't want to speak at all, but I'll be waiting by the phone for your call. But I'll be waiting for your call. I'll stop calling when you ask me to, because secretly I think you want me to. I don't think I have time to change that. Well, that was a little bit different. Now that I've written it, I'm going to perform it. This is weird. I'm not used to doing this. So here's the song. It's a short song. It's not a full song. Well, I guess it's a full song because I say it's a full song. So it's just like a little small guy. Yeah, let's just see how this goes. Hello, it's me, leaving a message on your machine. I know it's been a while, but you've been on my mind. I think it's about time we spoke face to face, and I'm sorry to hear you're not at home. I'll leave a message after the tone. I know you don't want to speak at all, but I'll be waiting for your call. No, I'll be waiting for your call. And I'll stop calling when you want me to, 'cause secretly I think you want me to. And I'll stop calling when you ask me to. I hope my message is getting through. And now it's time for a word from our sponsors. She's ready. I'm so excited. I need help. Don't you hate it when you study design for 3 years and you still don't know how to make a website? When I left uni and I needed a portfolio, I knew that I did not want to make my own website from scratch. I had tried coding multiple times and I was just terrible at it. And I looked at other website services, but Squarespace was the one that I was drawn to because I had known heaps of people that had already used Squarespace. So I started using it, and it's got all my most important projects that I would want to show potential clients. And I also have like a section for my own personal artwork, and it's so easy to use. Like, if you don't know anything about coding or websites, computers, it doesn't matter. They just have templates that you can use, and they're easy to tweak as well, so you can kind of put your own personal touch on them, and it's just really good. It's simple to add things and change things and add pages and take away pages and rearrange the layout of your design. So if you want to make your own website with Squarespace, you can get 2 weeks free. So that's like heaps of time to like try a theme, see what you like, try a new theme, see what you like, try a new theme, see what you like. And then if you really like it, you can go to squarespace.com/Sozzolini and you'll get 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain. So whether you need an online store, portfolio, something else that is on a website, go with Squarespace. I love them and you'll love them too. Alright, peace.